What's up everyone, I'm Tim from my YouTube channel 40 Times Around, and welcome to my Patreon page. So you may be wondering, what is Patreon? Patreon is basically a subscription-based website where people can contribute and help support the creators that are making videos that they love or they enjoy watching or that they find some value in. So you've probably found me here on Patreon because of my YouTube videos, and those are going to continue to be created and be free, but by you becoming a part of the support team for that, you get to be a part of a larger community of what I'm hoping I'm creating with these YouTube videos. Let's exchange information and share some tips and tricks with each other. I've been getting a lot of great comments on my YouTube videos, different things that you guys have suggested that now I'm going to go and make videos on and share with the rest of you guys. So it's just a cool community-based website. So that's what Patreon's all about. I just want to fill you guys in real quick on what I'm all about. You've probably seen me in some of my YouTube videos where I talk about everything related to motorcycles, camping, traveling, and adventure. Motorcycle camping, traveling, and adventure. Motorcycles, camping, traveling, and adventure. Adventure and travel. Motorcycles, camping, traveling, and adventure. All kinds of things like that. These are the things that I am most passionate about. I just absolutely love to travel on a motorcycle. To me, there's just no better way to get around, no better way to see something new. Even when I'm not traveling, I just absolutely love researching gear and equipment. It's just such a big part of the fun for me. I've put a lot of videos out about planning trips and actually being on the road and different equipment reviews, things like that. And I want to continue to do that as much as possible. I'm always roaming around the United States. I take at least one really big trip a year. I'm hoping actually to get out this summer and hit a few more of the national parks. I don't know if you guys saw my video, the motorcycles review of the national parks for Joshua Tree. I would like to continue doing stuff like that for you, but it costs a lot of money, and right now I'm supporting this entire endeavor myself, so I'm just kind of reaching out to you guys. If you can chip in, that's great. If not, my videos will still be free on YouTube, and please feel free to enjoy them and jump in on the conversation and let me know what you guys think of it. But if you can contribute, as little as even $1 a month, or I will set different increments with different reward tiers that you can check out below this video if you're on my Patreon page. If you're on my YouTube page, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below, and that'll take you on over to my Patreon page where you'll get all these cool perks, kind of like behind the scenes footage, group chats within Patreon, early releases on videos, and things like that. And so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.